Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save a sound that another TikTok user has used, and yeah, just how to save that sound. So you're either going to want to press on this vinyl sort of icon on the bottom right, or just press on the name of the song. Oops. To save it, you're just going to press add to favorites. Or if you want to use it instantly, you're just going to press use this sound. I'm just going to go back, hit the record button, and to find the song you favorited, press add sound. Then you are just going to go to favorites. To use the song, click on it and press the checkmark button. As you can see, the name of the song will be up there, and now you can record using that sound. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!